Hello YouTube. Now you get to see what I look like, and I'm just trying out my new Kodak Zi6 HD pocket cam. And what we're going to do is we're going to walk outside and see what's going on outside today on December 21st, 2008 in South Dakota. It is going to be a white Christmas here this year, as you are about to see. Alright, I'm standing on my step looking across the street right now. Let's go ahead and let's go down. I need to shovel the sidewalk, but it's no use right now. It's just going to drift back in again. See what it looks like down here on the street. Oh yes, it's beautiful out right now, below zero. The wind is blowing about 30 miles an hour with a few gusts here and there, maybe higher, 35, 40. It's very cold, and here comes somebody to hopefully start cleaning some of these drifts out. But it probably won't do a lot of good just yet, because as long as it's still blowing, it's just going to drift back in again. It's a good day to stay home, keep the warm fires going. So if there is a thing called global warming, we're not feeling it here in South Dakota today. It is cold, very cold. So actually the wind does feel like it's starting to let up a little bit. So it's going to be a white Christmas here. Anyway, just thought I'd test out the camera. And I hope all of you have a great Christmas and a Happy New Year.